Hey there, just want to point out what I'm seeing here. So here's the chop range that we've been going through, and it looks like we're at the top of this range. So yeah, if it were to break above this, that would be we're headed to all-time highs because that's where we're at. And I don't know. It seems like we're gonna bounce back because that's kind of what happens here. I know when we're at the top, it just feels like we're gonna keep going. But you can see what happened here. It sprung up there. This is a 4-hour chart. Let me look at the 1 day. Okay, so if you look at the 1 day chart, so today it just ripped up and you can see that it pulled back. So, um, like we never know exactly where things are going to go, but you can just kind of see the pattern here that it likely is going to keep coming down. I think that's the probability. Obviously, anything can happen. If we look at just different time frames, we can kind of see what's going on. So, kind of chopped around. Here was this big move the other day, and then it came back down, and then fought back up and shot back up today, and now it's coming back down. So we just we just want to see. I just want to see. Oops. I just want to see it fall down because we have some drawdown, and those are tied to some sell orders that, as long as gold falls, those sell orders will become less of a loss and can even become profit. And then along the way, the trader can also extract profits. So it can become very profitable when drawdown works in your favor. Obviously, drawdown creates risk as well. But that's kind of where we're at here. Pretty exciting that we're at all-time highs with gold. But again, if you zoom out and see that what gold's been doing since you know pretty much Y2K, since 2000, it's just been ripping up. So it's going to keep going that way. Question is when is it going to break through again to all-time highs? I keep saying this. That's kind of the commentary on it. We're going to break through to all-time highs. Question is when? Is it now? Because we're at that threshold. Typically, right here creates some resistance where it will bounce off of that, come back down, and here it's support, and then it'll come back down, and eventually it's going to break out in one direction or another. It's either going to break out to all-time highs or it's going to break down, and then eventually, inevitably, we're going to all-time highs regardless. So that's kind of what we're seeing here. Today was really it's interesting in gold as well as crypto, and I don't pay too much attention to the stock market, but the Trump pump. So crypto is pumping, and Trump just avoided a assassination through divine miracle for sure, and he's playing golf the next day, which is just incredible. And then he said that he's going to, obviously we got the Republican convention coming up here now starting, and then he is announced that he's going to be going to the Bitcoin convention. So lots of things. So the crypto markets see all of that as positive, that it's likely that Trump is going to win, that Trump is pro crypto. So that's possibly one reason why crypto markets are pumping, purely based off of narrative and emotion. There's obviously some fundamentals and technicals for the pump as well. But just sharing a little insights here as we see what the market is doing, and that's all we can really do is just react to what the market does and just analyze it and make our best guesses here. If you got value out of that, let me know. Any questions, let me know as well.